Welcome to another recipe. Today we are making honey walnut shrimps. Let's begin. In a small pot, combine half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water and bring to a boil. Then add half a cup of walnuts and let them boil for a few minutes. Remove with a slotted spoon. Now let's prepare the shrimps. Pat dry 16 to 20 pieces of shrimps. And season with salt and pepper. In a bowl, beat 1 egg. And in another bowl, add half a cup of cornstarch. First, dip the shrimp into the egg and then into the cornstarch. And then fry until brown and crispy. Then lay the shrimps on a paper towel to drain the oil. Now let's make the sauce. Whisk together 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon cream. Now add the walnuts and the shrimp. Mix until everything is coated well. Now our honey walnut shrimps is ready. Garnish with spring onions and serve. Enjoy! For more recipes, like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit us at lookandcook.com.